Petite mothers deserve dresses that respect scale, honor movement, and stay comfortable all day. Today, the focus is clear. Sharpen proportion, reduce bulk, and highlight presence in photos. This script gives direct rules that cut noise and save time. Apply them, and the frame looks balanced and strong. For steady growth here, please like, share, and subscribe. Start with fit control. Keep shoulder seams ending at your shoulder bone. Hold armholes high for clean lines and easy movement. Place the waist seam at your natural waist, not lower. Use vertical darts to shape without bulk. Do not drown the body in extra fabric. Choose structure that schemes. Keep jackets neat and cropped. Choose clear silhouettes. A sheath that schemes, a fit and flare with sweep, and an A-line all respect petite frames. Keep volume controlled and placement precise. Skip oversized tiers and boxy shifts. If using peplum, keep it short and subtle. Gentle wrap shapes work when overlap sits flat. Keep trains short and manageable. Control hem and coverage. For fortes, target knee to midi lengths that hit at the narrowest points. Keep T-length near mid-calf, not mid-shin. Use high-low hems only when back length stays short. Add a front slit for stride, ending below mid-thigh. Keep jackets ending near the waist or high hip. Use boleros, shrugs, or crop toppers. Lock fabric and color. Pick medium weight crepe, stretch woven, mikado, or lace with small motifs. Avoid heavy satin that pools or crushes. Keep sheen soft, not mirror bright. Use one color head to toe for height. Mixing tones keep them close. Place darker panels at the sides for shaping. Choose prints with small, tight repeats. Direct the eye upward. Use V-neck, portrait, or sweetheart to open space and lengthen the neck. A gentle boat can work when shoulders are narrow. Keep scoops moderate, not wide. Select sleeves that clear the elbow or hit 3/4. Avoid long bell shapes that swallow hands. Slim, straight sleeves hold polish. Protect scale, cut bulk, and let color, fabric, and fit do the work. The result is clear presence, not noise, across every moment of the wedding day. Follow these rules and move on. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.